about to cut 12 inches, 12.47 inches. Well, the design actually a little bit shorter than that, but the paper is 47 inches. So wanted to come on because, well, I pulled out record mainly because wanted to show you guys this. When you have a paper mismatch, it will come up like this. You are going to hit done. Then you're going to make sure that the bottom one matches the print settings that you want. You're going to go ahead and hit print. Yes, I'm doing sublimation. And yes, that does say plain paper. And shoot, I think I messed this up. Okay, I checked it. Nope, it's set to plain paper high. I want this to print out a little bit faster. You can still get great prints with plain paper high. Want this to print out a little bit faster. So yes, I am printing on plain paper and it is printing from tray 2. So we're going to go ahead and hit the bottom so that it knows it's the larger paper and hit print. And we are going to print. This is a tease because you're not going to see me put this all together. I plan to record it. However, you guys won't see it. It will be a pre-recorded video and you guys will get a snippet, a very small snippet. But it's printing. And then I have 2 more to do. And then we'll put them together and sub this bad boy. On plain paper, it also prints a lot faster. With premium matte, this would have taken forever. One down, 2 more to go. It's going on a throw blanket. About 3 minutes, a little over 3 minutes or so to print this out. Yikes. There we go. All finito for at least this one. 2 more to go.